Hello young learners, welcome back to ZAIN'S Adventures, where we learn big things in fun ways. Today Zain is playing around the house. But wait, some things are okay to play with and some things are not safe. Listen carefully all the way to the end, because there is a safety challenge waiting just for you. Let's go! Safety Superheroes. Chapter 1st. Toys or Tools. Zain is playing in the living room. He finds his race cars, some blocks, and a screwdriver. Zain, oh, what is this spinny stick? But his mom says, oh, Zain, that's a tool, not a toy. Screwdrivers are sharp and used by grown-ups to fix things, not for little hands. Safe to play with race cars and blocks. Not safe to play with sharp tools like screwdrivers or scissors. Chapter 2. Lights or electricity. Zain sees a lamp plugged into the wall. He reaches for the socket. Mom, Zain, stop! That is electricity. It is very dangerous. Electricity helps light turn on and keeps the house running, but touching plugs or cords can give you a big ouch called a shock. Safe to play with flashlights or pretend switches. Not safe, real electrical outlets or wires. Chapter 3. Iron or imagination. Zain walks into the laundry room. He sees the iron. It is warm and shiny. Zain, oh, is it a spaceship? Mom, no, that is hot. It can burn your fingers. Hot things like irons, stoves, and toasters should never be touched. Safe to play with toy kitchens, pretend food, dress-up clothes. Not safe, irons, stoves, and real hot tools. Chapter 4. Soap or spray. Zain sees some cleaning bottles. One looks blue and bubbly, like fun slime. Mom says, Zain, that's a cleaner. It's not for play. Cleaning sprays are full of strong chemicals and can hurt your eyes or tummy. Safe to play with bubbles, bath soap, or water play. Not safe, real cleaners or sprays. Quick recap. What's not safe to play with? Sharp things like scissors and screwdrivers. Second, electrical plugs or cords. Third, hot things like irons or stoves. 4. Sprays or bottles under the sink. Fun fact with Zain, some toys are specially made and tested to be safe for kids to play with. Second one is grown-up tools and machines are made for adults with training and care. Third is electricity travels super fast and can hurt you if you touch it wrong. Fourth one is cleaning sprays might look colorful, but are for grown-ups only. Zain Safety Challenge. Okay, can you guess what's the safe to play with? Question first. Toy car or a real car key? Yeah, a toy car. What about the second question? Flashlight or a wall socket? Yeah, a flashlight. That is right. Question third. Play kitchen or real hot iron? Yeah, play kitchen. Question 4. A bubble bath toy or cleaning spray? Of course, a bubble bath toy. If you pick the safe ones, you're a safety hero. Say it with Zain. I'm safe, I'm smart, and I know what not to touch. Thanks for joining today's adventure. Remember, if you're not sure if something is safe, always ask a grown up first. See you next time on ZAIN'S Adventure. Bye bye, young learners.